RECnGO is a live video studio application in your hand. But why does anyone need a live streaming application like RECnGO? With the tools of professional media so far, it is no longer possible to meet the modern age expectations. The most significant advantage of mobile content is that it overcomes most of the physical and temporal obstacles. It strengthens the fast and constant information flow. With the RECnGO app, a whole live video production studio can be in your pockets. You can act as a one-person crew and make professional live videos instantly with many angles if needed. One person can replace a team of up to 3 to 4 people. The RECnGO Studio application lets you make videos from multiple camera angles with the help of your smart devices. Add extra images or videos that can help you connect with your community in the most engaging way yet. Stream it live or record it for later. RECnGO works with your Android devices. You do not need to buy any more professional equipment and carry them with you. Easy to use, your video studio is already in your pocket. Almost everyone has a mobile device, so anyone can use our app easily. You do not need to hire producers or videographers anymore. Dream it and create it. Be your own producer. Stream it or save it. You do not have to spend hours with video editing. The RECnGO Studio app allows you to edit your videos in real time. Download the RECnGO live streaming app now, or get in touch with us.
Today, we're looking at RECnGO, the pro live streaming and studio recording app that helps you create multi-camera videos from your phone, tablet, and MilkSlur devices via MacOS. RECnGO gives your events the exposure they deserve with glitch-free full HD streaming and recording. Whether you're running corporate workshops, doing virtual home tours, filming weddings, or creating product demos, you can capture engaging footage with no heavy equipment. RECnGO works with your iOS, Android, or Huawei devices. Just install the app and you're ready to get started. You can easily create multi-camera videos in minutes by connecting up to 12 phones, tablets, computers, or Milk and DSLR devices. Running a presentation or a demo, add multiple images, videos, and overlays to create custom presentations that wow your customers. What's that? You've heard everything you need to hear. In that case, just click the Buy Now button to get your own pro visual studio today. All set. Let's get back into it. While you're recording or streaming, it's super easy to switch between back and front cameras, turn off the flash, adjust the white balance, and zoom in and out remotely. Add some pizzazz to your production with logos and background images. You can insert these images as sources or as layers. You can also add pre-recorded videos and insert visual overlays. For example, you can create name tags for speakers, highlight your products, insert CTA buttons, and create your own layouts. This is great for selling merch or driving subscriptions, or you can keep things simple with a static logo overlay. Whatever you do, it'll be easy to customize and organize with RECnGO. Now that you've gotten a preview of the pro-level visuals, we gotta talk about the audio. With RECnGO, you have full control of your own audio mix panel. Adjust the sound on the go and switch between different microphones to get the best sound quality. You can use one camera source to stream video and another one to capture audio. That way, you're able to film multiple rooms or activities at once. You can also use an external microphone as long as it connects to one of your devices. RECnGO has built-in integrations with Facebook and YouTube, so you can stream directly or post a recording. If you want a live stream, set up the post title and a short description for the final platform. If you want to live stream on a different platform, create an RTMP URL and key to connect to TikTok, Twitch, and more. RECnGO also supports simultaneous live streaming and recording, so you can repurpose your video for all projects after the event. RECnGO is the key to putting out high-quality video productions with no heavy equipment, so hit that Buy Now button to grab your lifetime deal today.